Swap right here. This is the 173cc Predator engine in a 1966 John Deere Model 60 garden tractor. It has, you can see this is all the tools that I had to use it, including the old Milwaukee drill with the drill bit. There's the old Tecumseh that was a bastard to keep going. That will be eventually, maybe. But like $90 at the local Harbor Freight for the little push mower engine. A zip tie to hold the engine brake thing open, which might be permanent, might not be. Would be kind of nice to have that on some kind of lever to shut the engine off. Right now I've just been dumping the clutch in third gear. It seems to shut it off. Basically, you use one of the rear holes here, this guy, as a pivot hole, and you drill this hole in the frame and the hole for that rear bolt in the frame. As you can see kind of from this angle, the cylinder isn't in line with the center line of the tractor. That is in order to use the stock Harbor Freight intake with the little primer bulb guy. Yeah, it doesn't look super factory, but it all fits. You do have to take the heat shield right there off of the muffler and flip it around. You just take the two nuts off there and flip that muffler around so it doesn't point into the hood support, and then that does work. But that's the stock Harbor Freight muffler. The stock 60 gas tank, everything works. The pulley that was on the 60 is on this. The PTO clutch is not, but the pulley is on here. And for like 90 bucks, you can't argue with that. It pulls me around, and I'm about 210, 215. Pulls me around in third gear, up reasonable hills, no problem, doesn't lug. Supposedly 5.5 horsepower, but not bad. Thanks for watching.